Greetings, Quacky. Today is filled with enthusiasm.
What brings about this excitement, Clucky?
We're embarking on a video project to educate children about the alphabet.
That sounds like a valuable initiative. Which letters are we concentrating on?
Let's commence with ABC.
A for adventurous, igniting curiosity and exploration.
Moving on to B, signifying bonds that connect friends together.
Then C, representing creativity and the many possibilities it unfolds.
Absolutely, Quacky. A, B, C, a gateway to collective exploration, camaraderie, and creativity.
Collaborative learning about these letters can be a source of joy for young minds.
It's important for children to understand that fostering friendship and sharing experiences is paramount. Learning the alphabet becomes an engaging journey when embraced collectively. Witnessing children learn the alphabet is truly rewarding.
Indeed, emphasizing the significance of companionship as they learn is essential.